Good morning. So today I received another order from Clear Jelly Stamper. So I wanted to do an unboxing, show you guys what I bought. My first order, excuse me, my first order, I was very pleased with what I got. So I'm so excited to see what's in here and how it looks. So here we go. As usual, comes in their white box with their logo on the inside and the white tissue. And this is what I ordered, so I'm gonna just take everything out and then go over each one at a time. Alright, so the last time I ordered, they included a business card with their social media info. Doesn't look like they did it this time. And they also gave me like a maple leaf candy. Doesn't look like they did it this time, so okay. So this first product right here is stamping nail polish, and this one, if I can get this to focus, let me move all this out of the way. So if I can get this to focus, this one is number 51 and it's the 5 milliliter size, and there it is. That's beautiful. I'm looking forward to using this. Alright, the next product is this crown brush holder, which is so pretty. So I just had to purchase it because I really like the way it looks. Alright, the next we have is the demo tip holder. There you go. And it comes with tips in there and the 3 separate holders. So this will make it more convenient and easy for testing out designs. And I also got the additional replacement tips for it. Okay. And then I have this in here, which was one of their plates, and it's Christmas themed. So even though it's after Christmas, I still wanted to get this because I really like the trees and the candy cane and even the bow. And I like the fact that with Clear Jelly Stampers, theirs is multi-layered. So I really wanted to get into doing that. So that's that one. The next one I got is this one, and it has the letters on there, which will make it really easy for me because I'm right-handed. So it's hard for me to do the lettering on my non-dominant hand and make it look the same as I can do it. Sorry, I can do it on my non-dominant hand, but doing it on my dominant hand, writing with my non-dominant hand, is difficult to make it look the same. So looking forward to using this one. And of course I put all the names of the plates in the description box. The next one I got was this one. And of course it has the trees again. The deers, the animals, the birds. So, really like it. The next one is this mandala one. Mandalas. So I'm really excited to use this one. And then the next one is this one. Beautiful images. I'm really happy with my purchase. And then this one I like because I wanted to do plaid nails and nails with lines on it. So this one I believe would do just that. And like I said, I love the fact that, and in this one actually, unlike the other ones, this one has images on the back showing you what you can do with it. Alright, and that's my purchase. Like I said, I'm happy with the things that I've ordered so far. And I'm looking forward to using this all. And stay tuned for more. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and of course, like my videos. Thank you.